2012 Mercedes E-Class. Some predict the future. We prefer to build it. The Mercedes E-Class is an impressive ride, very smooth and punchy. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, anti-lock braking system, traction control, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, power passenger seat, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, cruise control, floor mats, auto-dimming rear view mirror, aluminum wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, rear defrost, climate control, universal garage door opener, AM/FM stereo radio. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.